Hey everyone, in this video, I want to show you exactly how to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. I'm going to explain two different methods. The first one is using your iPhone, and the second one is directly from the Apple Watch itself. Both processes are quick and super easy. Let's get started. For this first method, I recommend keeping your iPhone and Apple Watch close to each other. Open the official Watch app on your iPhone and make sure you are on the My Watch tab. In the top left corner, tap on All Watches. Select the watch you want to unpair and tap the Info icon next to it. Scroll all the way to the bottom, tap Unpair Apple Watch, and confirm. You will then need to enter your Apple ID password to turn off Activation Lock. If your watch has a cellular plan, choose whether to keep or remove it based on your needs. And that's it. Your Apple Watch is now unpaired. Now the second method is done directly on the Apple Watch. This is perfect if you don't have your iPhone nearby, maybe because you lost it or already sold it. On your Apple Watch, go to Settings, the gear icon, tap on General, scroll down, and select Reset. From there, tap Erase all content and settings. If you have a passcode, enter it to proceed. This will wipe your watch and return it to factory settings, making it ready to be set up from scratch. If this video was helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.